we're up in between Francis and Hannah on Highway 35 to rescue a quad that went down a 30 or 40 foot embankment to a creek bed. So the customer's in front of us right now. They're gonna show us the way. We'll look for a spot to pull over and park the trailer and the Suburban and unload the world's smallest off-road wrecker. Should just call it tiny or something. I think we're only about 1 mile from the actual quad. We're getting pretty close. The roads are pretty nice.
That little wash right behind the rear tire shouldn't be too much of an issue right now, but there's a nest of ground yellow jackets in there.
Okay.
They were super pissed off earlier, so.
Yeah, luckily they don't like to come out at night.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go down and take a look at it with this and drag this winch line down with me. Here, I guess hold this while I undo this. We might need to run the front winch to a tree, but I figured we'd start pulling first and see what it looks like. Okay. This. Sup, doggo? All right. Oh yeah, that stuffed back pretty good. Broke that lower control arm, pulled the CV out. That's not gonna roll wonderfully or stay in place. Might have to put a strap on that, hold it in place. Everything else looks good. Looks like a good spot right here to attach to. Alright. Go ahead and lock the winch in. No, I was just going to use the winch cable to help pull myself back up this hill.
Go down there and steer it?
Either way, I can go down and steer it, and if you want to run the winch, that is steep. We'll use this one to pull it up, and then once we get it up to about here, we'll put this one on the front to lift the nose up to carry it out to the trailer. Alright. It's probably going to all wrap up on that side because we're at a bit of an angle, but maybe I'll turn and angle it this way a little bit more. Yeah, that'll be better. Cable look more square?
Yeah, it looks pretty square there.
Moving. Okay. I'll go down. Where's the little camera?
It's dead.
I guess I should have plugged it in before we are on the way here. That's what I don't like about that little one. If it sits for a week or two without being used, battery's dead.
A week or two, I guess so.
have much steering because it's the left front wheel is just going to drag. But go ahead and start winching, we'll see. Looking good.
Still winding up on one side.
That's alright, and as long as it's not binding.
I wonder if I can pull it over. It's starting to fill up the spool.
Well, it's on this side now, so it should be all right. Should push over. If it starts hitting on this, we'll let off and push it over, but it's on that side of it now, so it should walk over.
You ready?
Go ahead.
Have a seat, Steph.
That's good there. Okay. I'm gonna lower this boom down a little bit.
I'm just going to drive forward now.
I think I want to go in just a hair with this one.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. That's good.
Okay, hold it. Yeah, don't go up anymore.
Yeah.
The boom's getting close.
Let's come back. The boom is the cables hooked around the plastic there. Everything looks good here. And it just did a number on that lower control arm.
Sure did.
And the mount, ripped the mount loose.
Yep.
But that can be straightened and re-welded. CV, lower control arm. Not too shabby. Was anybody on it when it went down?
Yeah.
Did they bail at the top?
No, they rode it all the way in.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
They all right?
Yeah. No injuries.
Oh, that's lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, rode it all the way in.
Were they an experienced rider?
No.
I'll bet that was quite a ride.
Yep. Yeah,
Just driving too fast, or?
No, tried to pass on an obstacle and just didn't realize they were that close and just went right on over.
Yeah, we try and teach our kids. The person who's going to stop stops on the edge, and the person going around goes on the high side.
Yep. Yep.
Just to keep that from happening.
Yep.
can go forward. Let's see, I let that down, it got off to the side. You have to help it because it's low. Yeah.
Can we strap it forward?
Yeah. Yeah. Because I can set this down too, and we can pull it forward so that it's all the way up under here.
That's all the way down. Can't go forward but a couple more inches.
Well, I might be able to go. Yeah, the tire's touching this box, so.
That's as far as you go then.
Yep.
Well, it's on if we can tie it down.
Well, it can come up a couple inches.
Just by ratcheting these some more?
Yeah.
This ratchet don't seem to be real strong.
I think they almost got it.
I didn't think it was gonna fit on there.
Yeah.
It's not much room.
The back tires are hanging off just a bit, but they're tying it down real good, so it should be good.
Good.
He said that the person on it rode it all the way down. They weren't.
Well, that's dumb. I'd have stopped on the road.
they weren't hurt though, so that's
Thank goodness.
good news. Yeah.
Yeah.
Winter! Leave that thing alone! Come on!
Winter, come here!
Right, honk the horn.
Winter!
You're not very bright. Look at that. Your whole face is full of quills. You're pretty stupid.
Oh, poor Winter. Oh, my word. What can we do?
Well, I can hold her head still with
Here.
almost to pull.
I'm sorry, Winter.
Ow! Hold still.
You're doing good, Winter. Good girl. Good girl.